From cam and crank position sensors ensuring accurate timing, to throttle position sensors regulating airflow, and manifold absolute pressure sensors monitoring engine load, our sensors are engineered for peak performance. Ensuring your vehicle meets emission standards is crucial. That's where our emission control sensors come in. Our lineup includes oxygen sensors, providing precise air-fuel mixture readings, and idle air control sensors, managing engine idle speed for optimal operation. Now let's talk ignition systems. Reliable ignition is essential for performance, and our components are built to last. Whether it's ignition coils delivering high voltage for spark plug ignition or ignition wires ensuring consistent spark delivery, we've got you covered.